PTC is redefining CAD with Creo Simulation Live. Partnering with ANSYS, the leader in engineering simulation, PTC is introducing the first fully integrated real-time parametric CAD modeling and simulation solution. This easy-to-use tool puts real-time simulation in the hands of every designer. Working within the modeling environment, Creo Simulation Live, powered by ANSYS, provides insight into the thousands of design decisions made throughout the modeling process, leading to higher quality products, while also reducing product and development costs. Creo users will be able to see real-time results directly in the modeling environment, reacting to every change you make, as you make it. What was once a long and tedious process of designing, followed by separate simulations, is now replaced with instant feedback. Coming in early 2019, Creo Simulation Live, powered by ANSYS, will bring thermal, structural, and modal analysis to every designer. CAD will never be the same. This is Creo. Design the way it should be.